The goal with this activity is to really work on your side-to-side power, speed, and agility. It's awesome if you're trying to increase any lateral ranges of motion, so abduction, adduction, as well as internal rotation. It's also good for improving landing mechanics. Here's what we got. So you're going to start in an athletic stance. So with the athletic stance, you want to be a little wider than the hip width, slight bend in the knees, hips back. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to do a lateral shuffle, just one step. So when I do the lateral shuffle, I'm going to be turning my foot towards where I'm going. I'm going to be pushing through the inside heel and arch to go this way. I'm going to do one shuffle because as soon as I go into that shuffle, I'm then going to drop into a lateral bound, trying to land on the box like so. So if I go at slow speed, it's going to be a step and then that right there. When you land on the box, which I did poorly, you want to stick the landing, soft knee, hold foot contact like that. Hold it for about a 2 count. When I go up full speed, it's going to be like this. So it's shuffle, step. With a stable box, ideally. Shuffle, step. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.